Okay, this is the setup instructions for Walk This Way. You're going to get a LabQuest and a motion detector. You want to make sure you plug in the motion detector into the dig 1 port of the LabQuest. That's the port on the right. It says DIG1. Once you have that plugged in and everything's turned on, you should come to the home screen, and without pushing anything, it should look like this. The motion detector will start clicking, and if you point it at the ceiling and get closer to the ceiling, you should notice that this reading right here goes down. If you go farther away, it gets larger. So what it's doing is it's actually sending out a ultrasonic sound that bounces off the ceiling, comes back to the detector, and then by knowing the speed of sound and the time that it takes, it calculates the position of the detector away from the ceiling or whatever it's bouncing off of. So for this lab, you're going to point the detector at a wall. Make sure that you are starting at least half a meter away from the wall, and then you don't go more than about 2.5 meters away from the wall. If you get really close to the wall, it just doesn't work. Okay, so what I'm going to have you guys do is you're going to use the stylus pen to come up here to the graph window. And then we're going to analyze, and we're going to do the motion match, and we're going to do position graphs. So we're going to do a new position match. It looks like that. There it is, it's drawn for you, and you're going to try to match it. So talk to your neighbors, talk to your partners, ask them, where do you need to start to match this graphs? How far away from the wall do you need to start? The position is on the left, and it's in meters, and the time will be going on the right here. It's in seconds. So where do you need to start? What direction do you need to go? And how fast do you need to walk? And then right here, what do you need to do? And then right here. So I want you to try that. You're ready? You're going to hit the play button, and you should see a real-time graph displayed right on there as you match it. And I want you to try this until you can get it really close. I mean, almost right on covering the lines. And then you'll pass this off to the next person in your group, and they will go basically motion match and just do new position match, and away you go, and they'll do it. So I want everybody in your group to match a graph really good 3 times. And then what you'll do is you'll follow along on the instructions on the Walk This Way exploration.